In this video, you will learn how to maintain and clean your TimberTech deck. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure your new TimberTech deck will look its best for many years to come. For the latest cleaning products, recommendations, and details, make sure to reference our care and cleaning section at TimberTech.com. You will need the following tools and equipment: TimberTech Deck Cleaner or another approved cleaner, a 5-gallon bucket, a garden hose with a spray nozzle, a stiff natural fiber brush for TimberTech Advanced PVC decking or porch, or a medium to stiff nylon brush for TimberTech composite decking, a spray bottle, a measuring cup, a broom, and cotton terry cloth towels, a sponge mop, or a leaf blower. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove all items from the deck surface. Avoid sliding or dragging any furniture, hoses, buckets, power washers, or other tools across the deck surface. Sliding or dragging can cause damage to the deck surface. Always lift and carry. It is key to clean any additional surroundings like railings, windows, or doors before cleaning the deck. Step 2. Remove all loose debris, dirt, and leaves from the deck by sweeping with a broom or using a leaf blower. Make sure to check for any debris lodged in between deck boards. Once all debris is removed, look to see if there are any trouble spots that might require additional spot cleaning before cleaning the whole deck. Step 3. Mix and dilute the TimberTech cleaner or approved cleaner following the instructions on the label. For TimberTech Deck Cleaner, we suggest 1 part cleaner to 3 parts water. Trial the cleaner mixture ratio to make sure it's strong enough to clean your deck. You can start with a small batch to test the ratio and adjust as needed. Be sure to rinse once this is completed. Step 4. Section off the deck to create manageable areas to clean. If it's a hot and sunny day, smaller sections may be necessary so the cleaner does not dry to the surface before rinsing. Step 5. Start at the end of the deck and work in sections towards an entry or an exit point. Dip the brush into a bucket of diluted TimberTech decking cleaner mixture and apply a generous amount to the deck surface. Using effort and some downward pressure, scrub the deck boards in both directions, first going with the grain, then scrub against the grain. Always clean in sections and do not allow the cleaner to dry, keeping surfaces wet with cleaner until the area has been completely scrubbed. It is very important to rinse immediately after scrubbing and not allow the cleaner to dry to the deck. Make sure to remove all suds and residue off the deck surface and do not splatter to other areas. Splash cleaner while rinsing can leave a spotty residue on surrounding items such as rails, windows, and doors. Rinse thoroughly if splashing occurs. Aim to rinse in the direction of the grain and board lengths when possible, trying to always work in the same direction with the rinse. Be sure not to let any cleaner dry to the deck. If the cleaner does dry, a white film surface may occur and you will need to re-clean the deck surface till it is removed. Repeat these steps as you continue to work your way across the predetermined deck sections. Once deck boards become wet with water or cleaner, you may not notice the soiled areas. You may have to go back and re-clean some spots that were not noticed when the deck was wet. If you have a power washer, it can be used for rinsing only. The maximum pressure recommended is 1500 psi and a fan tip nozzle should be used. Be careful placing the power washer on the deck surface while using, especially gas powered. The vibrations and rubber tires can cause marring and scuffing. The black rubber transferred may be very difficult to remove. We suggest drying the deck surface after cleaning and rinsing to remove any standing water and to quickly identify spots you may have missed. If spots were missed, spot clean is needed. You can use cotton terry towels, a sponge mop, or a leaf blower. If you use a sponge mop, you will need to wring it out periodically. Start at one edge of the deck and work across the lengths of the boards, going with the grain if possible. After the deck is completely dry, do a final survey to see if there are any spots you may need to go back and spot clean that may have been missed. Enjoy the everlasting beauty of your TimberTech deck. For additional information, visit our website at www.timbertech.com.